in the city of Bonn, we have both a large Muslim community, including the Ahmediyya community, obviously. We are also fortunate to have a large Jewish community in the city of Bonn, and obviously tensions are increasing between these two communities, not just in our city, but elsewhere. As mayor, I think one of my responsibilities...
We believe in the concept of living together in an amicable way.
Yes.
That is the solution.
Yes.
Whether you are a Jew or a Muslim or Christian or atheist or Muslim of any sect. But Islamic teaching is that you should live together amicably. So you should be law-abiding person. You should tell the people why there is rift and conflict between Jews and there should not be. As far as we are concerned, if you need any help from us, we are ready to help.
Absolutely. I appreciate that.